Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It would be awesome to have you stick around. And if you're not new here, thanks for coming back. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to draw the rat from the game Cheese Escape. So to get started drawing our rat, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a circle here, and then another. Well, I guess they're more like ovals. And then a curve on both, and another on both. And then the next thing we're going to do is the top of the head. So we're going to do a little rounded part here. And then we're going to come along and go past here. And you can see that we're kind of coming inward. So we're going to go inward on this side too. And we're going to do a great big red nose. And then the next thing we're going to do is another little line coming along like that. And now we need ears. So let's do a line coming up and curving, and then coming back to the head. And same over here. Coming on up, curving, and then coming back to the head. Now let's do some of the body. So let's come on down. And you see I'm curving inward, and right here we're going to curve on down, and we're going to come along this way and meet up with this line. Now we can do hands. So I'm going to do a little line here and one coming down here, and then we can do a little hand. I'm going to put a little line right here, and then we can do the same on the other side. So two little lines, one little paw, and then a little line here. Now the next thing is a tail. So over here in the bottom, we can come on up, and it's going to be a big long tail. We're going to come over this way and come on up, and it's going to be a pointed tail, and then we'll follow that line we made and come on back. And I'm going to do a little curve, a little stroke of a line throughout this tail. And here on the ear, I'm going to do a little line right there, and coming on up, just kind of surrounding the ear here with a line. Two little lines poking out, same right there. And I'm going to do a little circle here on the nose. It's going to be a little shiny spot where the light is hitting. And now we can do two little paws on the bottom for little feet. All right, so now the inside of the eye, I'm going to do one more little circle. And then this spot here, I'm going to color it in black. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is I'm going to give him just a couple whiskers on each side. Okay, now we're done our drawing, and I'm going to get started with some coloring. All right, so we're finished our drawing of the cheese escape rat. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.